This video will analyze safety hazards in a university's workshop, specifically lathe machine operations and gas welding, and explore relevant legal and regulatory requirements to prevent accidents. The hazards based on the case study are foot injuries, projectiles, and entanglement. The risks are amputations, lacerations, burns, and falls. The laws stated are to prevent these hazards and risks. The hazards based on the case study are burns, fire, eye and face injuries. The risks are severe burns, eye damage, skin irritations, and fire. The laws stated are to prevent these hazards and risks. The stakeholder involved are students, technicians, university management, safety officers, and Department of Occupational Safety and Health (DOSH). These are the problem and role of each stakeholders on how to approach the issue in lathe workshop. These are the problem and role of each stakeholders on how to approach the issue in gas welding workshop. Next, we will play an interview of one of the stakeholder involved.
One major risk is the improper use of equipment like gas welding machines, lathes, or milling machines. Without proper training, students can easily injure themselves or even damage the equipment. For example, not wearing protective gear during welding can lead to burns or eye injuries. Yes, under the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 in Malaysia, it's mandatory to ensure a safe working environment. This means providing proper training, maintaining the equipment, and enforcing the use of personal protective equipment like gloves, goggles, and helmets. The stakeholders include the workshop technicians, university safety officers, students, and university management. Technicians should monitor us closely, while safety officers conduct regular audits. And of course, we as students also need to follow the safety protocols strictly. Yes, last semester, one of my classmates got minor burns on their hand while welding because they forgot to wear gloves. It was a small injury, but it was a wake-up call for all of us. The workshop supervisor immediately provided first aid and reminded everyone about the importance of wearing gloves. As students, we also took responsibility by reminding each other to follow the safety protocols. I think the biggest challenge is the lack of hands-on training before we use the equipment. Sometimes the focus is more on theory than practical safety knowledge. There are also not enough personal protective equipment (PPEs) provided.
The next two slides are contradicting issues that may arise between the stakeholders and proposed solution. Thanks for watching.